Hey, it's Creative Mom Kamela here with Creative Mom's Decant. So today I'm going to show you how to use sublimation markers to make car coasters. Let's go!
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.
So sublimation markers are so much fun and an easy way to see if you will enjoy doing sublimation. You can get all kinds of blanks. I grabbed these off of Amazon. Artesprix sent me this one, and so you can get blanks of any kind. They're out there. Craft Chameleon, of course, sells amazing ones. Artesprix and Craft Chameleon both sell the markers, and I'll link them below. Cricut also has some markers that I've been playing with, and I like them. So pencil does not sublimate, so the really cool thing is you can trace your blank, and you can also sketch yourself out a little bit of art. So I'm just going to sketch myself a little outline of basically what I want to draw. Just all right, and then I can kind of see where maybe my flaws are at and add and subtract a little as needed. And now we're ready to head into some marker work. I am keeping this super simple to show you how easy it is. I'm going to grab my brown, and I am going to start with the brown center of my flower here. And you can't really layer sublimation markers per se, so you want to kind of leave white space. So I am taking my brown and kind of scribbling it on because I want to layer in some other colors. So now I am using mustard seed and just kind of working it around into the white. If you want to keep white, you have to keep it. I am using copy paper here, and copy paper is the best material to use for sublimation markers. So you do not need and you do not want sublimation paper. I have sublimation paper in my craft room, and I'm not using it. So it is not the best for sublimation markers. So I'm going to continue to draw out my flower here, and then I will show you how I heat this. All right, so you will notice at the very end I took a marker around the outside edge, so blue or green. You definitely want to do that because you need to add your own bleed in, essentially. And it's just kind of one more little precaution to make sure that you are getting the entire thing. I'm going to give myself, I should have gave myself a little bit more room, but I didn't. But I'm going to grab my lint roller and I'm going to clean this. All right. And then my paper goes down, so my handle is here. I don't know that it really matters with our bleed. All right, and you want to make sure the whole thing is covered with ink. So I have ink all around the outside edge, which is great. And then I'm going to use my tape and just pull the outside edge snug here and all the way around so that my paper stays nice and sealed to my blank. The markers make this super simple. I absolutely love them. I have had my Artesprix Sublimation Markers for quite a while. I won some from Craft Chameleon, and they have like monthly craft things, and sometimes you can win prizes. And I got some from Ashley from Artesprix, and that's when she sent me these blanks, which are super fun. So I will link her site below. All right. I wrinkled that just a little bit, so I want to make sure that I'm not messing it up. And now we are ready to place it underneath our heat press. So this is ceramic, and you just have to look for the instructions for your item. And you do want to put this in paper so that you don't stain up your press. So I'm just going to throw another piece of paper on top and place it under. I do a little over 375 for 60 seconds. But it really and truly depends on your personal press. So I'm going to get this pressed, and then we'll take a look at what we created using Artesprix Sublimation Markers. All right, so it's off the press and cooling, and I'm just finishing up my other one. So just another take on a flower. It definitely doesn't have to, you can use any colors you want and make beautiful flowers, and you could leave your space white like I'm going to do on this one. And so this one I would just tape down here and decide which petal I wanted to knock out. Like right here looks like it's going to be best. So this is where I'm going to tape down and press on this one. Let's see if this is, it's still a little bit warm. Let's see if I can get in here and we'll check it out. Nope, it's still too hot. I'll meet you right back and we will check that out.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
The Artesprix Sublimation Markers are super fun. They made amazing car coasters. Look how shiny they are. I can't wait to put these in my vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. Likes and subscribes are big time help to us. Have a joyful day. Bye, friends.
With an illusion, like a